So guys, my name is Tommy and I am with Z Grills, and on today's show it is a pistachio encrusted salmon with a butter crunch topping, and we are going to pair that with a scratch creamed spinach and a little bit of rice. So look, if that interests you, and why shouldn't it, we have a little bit of prep work to do, so let's turn the cameras down here to the board and get started. Always remember, down in the description, Z Grills will have this recipe blogged out so you can get the complete ingredient list so you can make it too. But this is going to start out with a half a cup of pistachios. Always remember to adjust your numbers depending on how many salmon fillets you are going to cook up. I am going to do 1 stick of softened butter, that is salted butter. And also a half a cup of panko breadcrumbs, 3 tablespoons of Italian parsley, and of course some salt, pepper, and granulated garlic. At that point, you want to incorporate that together. Once done, you'll move that over to the bowl and you will incorporate it all together. So look, basically what you're looking for here is you want that butter to be the glue to hold it all together. So as you're incorporating together, just kind of keep squeezing it, keep squeezing it. Once it all stays together, you are good to go. Oh yeah, just like that. Guys, that is our Atlantic salmon. Use your favorite. First thing you want to do is make sure there's no pin bones in it by just rubbing your hand back and forth across the top. I am going to evenly portion this out. I will put a little bit on the side there for my pup dog, Molly. You can see in the back. We will keep that unseasoned. Otherwise, I will make 4 even cuts. Yeah. Now, if you've got your salmon already cut up in the store, you are good to go. I will get a little bit of salt, pepper, and granulated garlic on. At that point, I will get a rind of 1 lemon on each piece of salmon. And look, just this step here changes the whole complexity of the dish. The flavor, the palate picks it up right away. So this is a must not miss step. After that, what you want to do is evenly proportion out your pistachio mixture and just kind of squeeze it together, lay it on the salmon, and you will be good to go. I've already got my Z Grills fired up and preheated at 250 Fahrenheit, and we are running cherry pellets here. We will get these on the Z Grills 1100 2B. I will bring these up to a perfect 125 internal. In the meantime, I'll bring you guys back because we got to do up a scratched cream spinach. This is our creamed spinach here, and I am telling you, it is the star of the show, and that is 1 tablespoon of garlic, 3 tablespoons of chopped onion. That is 16 ounces of fresh baby spinach, which I blanched off. And you want to make sure after you blanch that off, you want to get all the water out of it by using paper towels and squeezing it together. You are looking to do just a light saute on that garlic and onion. We will add a little granulated garlic also in with some pepper and salt, and that is a half a cup of heavy cream going down. So look, basically what you want to do is you want to reduce this down. You want to thicken it up, put a low simmer, and once it starts pulling away from the pan like that, you are thick enough to add in 1/8 of a cup of cream cheese. And also you can hit it with a couple tablespoons of heavy cream or the cream that you use, just to give yourself a little bit more after you cooked it down. Again, once it starts pulling away from the pan like that, you are going to add in your spinach. And of course you could taste it to adjust your salt, pepper, and granulated garlic. Now look, real important here, you want to break that spinach up and you want to take your time doing it. As you break it up, it'll just release into more and more spinach. And before you know it, you will have the perfect creamed spinach here. That didn't take long, about 35-40 minutes, and we are sitting right at that 125 Fahrenheit internal, so that is perfect. Let's go in, let's get them off, let's get them on the board, and then I want to plate this up, give you guys a taste test, and close out the show. As noted, our internal temperature on that salmon is 125 Fahrenheit. So basically what I'll do here is I'll get these off to the board. Now look, unlike meat, you don't really have to rest a salmon, so it is on the board and it is on the plate and it is time to eat. Yeah. Now this is how you do restaurant quality at home. That is 1 piece of salmon per. We got a little white rice down. And of course, you are going to hit it with that cream spinach, and that extra wetness or that sauce of that cream spinach is going to mix so good with the salmon and pistachios. Got to have a little bit of lemon down. And we will get a little bit of Italian parsley up top. I will also hit it with a little Italian parsley in a bit. Now let's take it in for that taste test. All right, guys, look, man, that is it for this one. And I am telling you right now, do not discount this cream spinach. I tasted this off camera, and this stuff is to die for, man. I am telling you, man, it is, it's going to steal the show here on this cook, I do believe. But here is our plate, man. That is a good looking plate. Let's go in, let's get that taste test, and we will talk about it. Cheers. So look, guys, that's pretty amazing, man. If you like pistachios and salmon, man, that is a winner combination, especially with that butter crunch topping. Let's go in, let's check out that cream spinach and maybe a little bit of rice. Yeah. Look, guys, all the way around, this is a winning combination. There is no doubt about it, man. I would eat this 365 days a year, but especially on Christmas Day or Christmas Eve if you're not a beef eater. This will take the flavor town through the roof, I guarantee it. Look, don't forget, Z Grills is going to have this blogged out. All you got to do is check the description below. Hit one button, go right to their website. It is right there. Print it out, get everything you need, and make this dish. And also don't forget Z Grill's Instagram, Facebook page, and of course here the YouTube channel. Give a follow to all that, and Z Grills will have you smoking all winter long. Look, that is it for this one. I am going to cut out of here. I hope you enjoyed watching this one as much as I enjoyed making it. And of course, I am going to definitely enjoy eating it. Until next time, we will see you soon.